Hello and welcome to our channel Chennai All-in-One Vlogs. Today I am going to show how to make authentic South Indian mutton biryani using Zeera Samba rice. I'm not going to make with basmati rice today. I am going to make with Zeera Samba rice. It's simple biryani, Chennai style. I'm not using lots of ingredients. Only I'm using the basic ingredients like onions, tomatoes, green chilies, curd, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves and mint leaves and some garam masala and obviously mutton. Let's keep the pan over the stove and add some refined oil. Around 1 cup oil I'm using for around 3 cups of Zeera Samba rice. And this portion will be sufficient for 4 members. 4 members can eat in 3 cups of Zeera Samba rice. So for 3 cups I'm adding around 1 cup of refined oil and I'll add some garam masala, whole garam masala into it. Then I'm adding the sliced onions, around 4 medium sized sliced onions into it. Let, let's saute for a few minutes. Let's saute the onions until they become golden brown. It's very important to keep in mind that for biryani, the onions should be pretty golden brown or else the taste will not be enhanced. Let's wait till the onions get golden brown. It has become brown now. You can see it. And at this point, I'm adding ginger garlic paste. Around 3 tablespoonful I'm adding. And let's saute together until the raw smell goes off. Only for a few seconds. At this point I'm adding tomatoes and green chilies together. Let's give a mix. Let's add some salt, around 2 tablespoons of salt at this stage so that the tomatoes become tender. Let's give a mix. Let them cook for a few minutes and then I'm adding red chili powder to it. I'm using Kashmiri red chili powder. Let's add mutton now. Quarter kg mutton I'm using for 3 cups of rice. It will be sufficient for 4 members. We should always keep in mind that the masala should not get burnt. We should give a stir, Continuously we have to check it. Now I'm adding 1 cup of curd, yogurt, that is, to it, and giving a mix again. As I already told you that I'm not using too many masalas into it. I'm just using simple masalas, and that is our Chennai style biryani. Usually in Hyderabadi biryani, they use lots of masalas for flavor. Since in Chennai biryani, we are keeping it simple. So in this point, I'm adding coriander leaves and pudina together. Only half of the quantity I'm adding now, and I'm keeping for the final touch, the remaining quantity. Let's stir it. All the masalas should get cooked, and the raw smell should go. That's why we have to stir it for at least 2 minutes. Then add some water. Around 2 glasses of water we have to add, and leave the meat to cook for 15 minutes, covering with the lid. 1 more glass will be required. Yeah, 1 more glass I have added, and I'll keep it for in a low medium flame to get the meat cooked. In another burner, I have kept a large vessel, adding around 6 glasses of water. I'll allow the water to get boiled for some time. For at least in 5 minutes it will get boiled. Till then we'll check the meat, whether it has got cooked. The meat should be half cooked at this stage. All the masalas should be dissolved in the meat, and the meat should be half cooked, and we will simmer the stove at this point. Let's give a stir. In this point I'm adding half lemon juice. For 3 cups I'm using half lemon juice. If you're using 6 cups of rice, then 1 full lemon you can use, and give a stir. Let's check whether the salt is also. Let's check whether the water is ready. I think it will take a few more minutes. After that only we can add that rice, because as compared to the basmati rice, this rice is bit tender, and it cooks in a less time as compared to the basmati rice. I'm adding 1 spoon of oil so that the rice should not stick to each other. And now I'm adding the rice also. Let's check it. The rice should only cook for 3 to 5 minutes. That's all. We should not cook it much, because as I told you that the rice gets cooked in very less time. So we should keep this in mind, and we should be very careful while cooking the Zeera Samba rice, because the basmati rice usually gets longer time to cook. Now let's check the gravy. Now our gravy is perfectly ready. I have checked all the masalas and salt. Now I am mixing the half cooked rice into it. Very carefully you have to mix, and I am giving a stir. Slowly you have to keep in mind that the rice should not break, as this is a very tender rice, so you should not stir from the middle, always stir from the corners. The remaining coriander and mint leaves I am adding at this point. The color will be attractive, that's why. I'm giving a stir and making it even. Now let's close it and keep on over the stove for around 20 minutes. Let's simmer the stock. After keeping on lower flame for 20 minutes, now I am going to open the delicious biryani. Wow. Very nicely done. It's very nicely done. The rice is also not broken, and it's very nice, flavorful and presentable biryani. For more videos, please subscribe